I smile because I am happy.
I smile because I am happy.
She cooks because she is hungry.
She cooks because she is hungry.
I run if I have time.
I run if I have time.
He smiles if he sees a dog.
He smiles if he sees a dog.
I think that you are right.
I think that you are right.
I rest because I feel tired.
I rest because I feel tired.
I laugh if you tell a joke.
I laugh if you tell a joke.
They know that it will rain.
They know that it will rain.
I notice that you are tired.
I notice that you are tired.
She cries if she feels pain.
She cries if she feels pain.
I stay home because I have a cold.
I stay home because I have a cold.
He stops because the light is red.
He stops because the light is red.
I realize that you were right.
I realize that you were right.
I save money because I want to travel.
I save money because I want to travel.
I sleep outside if the weather is warm.
I sleep outside if the weather is warm.
They eat ice cream if it is hot.
They eat ice cream if it is hot.
I hurry because the appointment is soon.
I hurry because the appointment is soon.
I open the window if it is hot.
I open the window if it is hot.
They jump because they are happy.
They jump because they are happy.
She buys flowers if she visits her friend.
She buys flowers if she visits her friend.
He drinks water because he is thirsty.
He drinks water because he is thirsty.
I think that your idea is great.
I think that your idea is great.
He visits me if I am ill.
He visits me if I am ill.
He buys new shoes because his are old.
He buys new shoes because his are old.
She doesn't swim because the water is cold.
She doesn't swim because the water is cold.
They wear jackets because it is cold outside.
They wear jackets because it is cold outside.
She says that the dog is friendly.
She says that the dog is friendly.
He regrets that he missed the train.
He regrets that he missed the train.
I buy this snack because I'm hungry.
I buy this snack because I'm hungry.
I take the bus if my car is broken.
I take the bus if my car is broken.
We stay inside because it is cold.
We stay inside because it is cold.
We hope that the sun shines.
We hope that the sun shines.
She believes that he can help.
She believes that he can help.
He studies because he likes learning.
He studies because he likes learning.
They wait because the train is late.
They wait because the train is late.
We dance if the music is good.
We dance if the music is good.
She calls if she needs help.
She calls if she needs help.
I hear that you moved.
I hear that you moved.
I sing because I feel joyful.
I sing because I feel joyful.
He sleeps because he worked late.
He sleeps because he worked late.
We hurry because the store closes soon.
We hurry because the store closes soon.
They travel if they have money.
They travel if they have money.
She fears that he will leave.
She fears that he will leave.
I drink tea because coffee is too strong.
I drink tea because coffee is too strong.
I study if there is an exam.
I study if there is an exam.
He believes that she is kind.
He believes that she is kind.
I am sure that we can win.
I am sure that we can win.
She leaves if she is bored.
She leaves if she is bored.
He regrets that he forgot your birthday.
He regrets that he forgot your birthday.
I see that you are nervous.
I see that you are nervous.
They cheer because their team scored.
They cheer because their team scored.
I walk slowly because my leg hurts.
I walk slowly because my leg hurts.
She whispers because the baby is sleeping.
She whispers because the baby is sleeping.
He visits if he has free time.
He visits if he has free time.
They run if they are late.
They run if they are late.
We admit that we made a mistake.
We admit that we made a mistake.
They shout because they are far away.
They shout because they are far away.
She sings if she is alone.
She sings if she is alone.
I know that you will help.
I know that you will help.
We celebrate because it is her birthday.
We celebrate because it is her birthday.
We hear that you have a dog.
We hear that you have a dog.
I listen if you want to talk.
I listen if you want to talk.
I realize that I need more time.
I realize that I need more time.
We cook together because it's fun.
We cook together because it's fun.
He claims that the car is his.
He claims that the car is his.
We clap if the show is good.
We clap if the show is good.
He forgets that she called him.
He forgets that she called him.
They stand up because the teacher arrived.
They stand up because the teacher arrived.
He doesn't eat sweets because he is on a diet.
He doesn't eat sweets because he is on a diet.
I drive fast if the road is empty.
I drive fast if the road is empty.
He insists that I am wrong.
He insists that I am wrong.
I skip dessert because I am full.
I skip dessert because I am full.
They come back if they forget something.
They come back if they forget something.
He takes photos if he visits a new place.
He takes photos if he visits a new place.
She reads that there is a concert tomorrow.
She reads that there is a concert tomorrow.
She cries if she watches sad movies.
She cries if she watches sad movies.
I believe that you can do it.
I believe that you can do it.
They walk the dog if it's not raining.
They walk the dog if it's not raining.
We notice that she is very quiet.
We notice that she is very quiet.
We turned off the lights because we wanted to save electricity.
We turned off the lights because we wanted to save electricity.